Okay, we're going to solve the Rubik's Cube today. First of all, you have to simply complete one colour. So let's start by completing one colour. I'll do it nice and slow so you understand it, so that you can remember it. So we're doing the black first. It's easy to recognise. So we've completed the black colour. Now what we want to do is to get these middle ones in the right places, but they're already here in the right places. So now we've got to do the corners. The corners are also in the right places. In any case where the corners aren't in the right places, then you can simply move this down, bring this one back up, bring it to a different corner and complete the colours. But they are in the right corners, so we won't bother with that right now. There. Okay, so we've done this complete layer. Now we have to start with the second layer. So to make the second layer, we have to make a T with any of the colours. So the black's on top, so we make a T. Let's make a T with the blue. So always hold the Rubik's Cube like this, don't move it around. Make sure you hold it like this. So you hold it like this. Now you look at underneath the T. What colour is it? It's colour red. So you move it away from the red. So you move the bottom part away from the red. Now you bring a part of the black one down the left side. And then you bring the blue that you moved to the right, you bring it back. And you take this black part back. And then you complete the colour, and you have to do the easiest way to complete the colour. So you do this, complete, and it's done. So now we've got the black, the blue and the red in the right places. So now let's make another T. We've got another T with the orange. We look underneath, it's colour green. We move it away from the green. Then we move the black part down. We bring the orange back. We put that part of the black back, and then we complete the colour black, the easiest way. So now that's done. That's in the right place. Now we'll make another T. We made another T with the orange. Underneath is blue. We move it away from the blue. We bring the black down. We bring the orange back. We put the black up, and we complete the colour in the easiest way. So now we've got that in the right place. We've got these, and now this is the only one that's in the wrong place, as you can see. So let's make a T wherever we can. So in the green side. So what's underneath the T? The red. So you move it away from the red. The red's on this side, so we have to move it away. Only the bottom part. Don't worry about this, don't look at it, don't mind it. Then you bring the black down, you bring the green and red back, and you put the black up. And then you complete the colour in the easiest possible way. Now we've got the two layers completed. Now we can fit the Rubik's Cube. Now the objective now is to make a cross with the yellow. Now in some cases you may not always find this inverted L, so you'll have to repeat the algorithm I'm about to do a few times just to get an L, any L. So you go to any side you want. In this case we have to use this side because we have to go with the inverted L. So we rotate this front clockwise, top clockwise, and the side clockwise. Once we've done that, we have to bring everything back. So we rotate the top anti-clockwise, the side anti-clockwise, the right side, and the front anti-clockwise. Now as you can see, the cross is complete, and all of these are in the same places. So you hold the Rubik's Cube like this. It's important because as a beginner you may get confused if you do not hold it in such a way. Now our objective is to get all of these in the right places, all the middle pieces in the right places. Now the algorithm I'm about to show you, what it does is if I perform the algorithm here, these middle spaces will all move one to the right, but this one will stay in its place. So for example, if I perform the algorithm right now, this colour green will move right, but since this stays in its place, it skips this one and goes to this side, so it'll come here. And this blue will move right, so it'll come here. So let's perform it, and we'll see how it is done. Bring it down, bring it left, so bring it back, bring it back down. So now as you can see, the green was here, it's moved here, the red's in its place, the blue, as I said, would come here, and the orange has moved to the right as well. So now let's look and see, we need to get in such a way so that all of the places move into the right places. So this is right, so the orange is in line, the blue will move, it'll skip the orange and come to this side of the blue, this red will move to the right, and this green will move to the right, so it'll all come in the right places. So we do it here. So you lift the side up, you turn the top once left, you bring the side back down, you turn it left once again, and you bring this back up, and you complete this side, and then you put it down. Now as you can see, they're all in the right middle spots, and the corner and the cross is still there. So now we have to get the corners right. The corners may be in the right places as such, but the colours, no, this isn't right, sorry, that's red, that's not orange, so that's not in the right place, this is not in the right place, this is in the right place. You see, in this case, the corner is in the right place, but the colours aren't, since the blue's facing upwards when the blue should be facing this way, the red is on this side when it should be here, and the yellow is on this side when it should be here. So what you do, and all the other corners are wrong. So first we have to correct the corners, put them in the right places. It doesn't mean, I don't mean to say that the colours will be facing the right way, but the corner piece will be in the right place. So you make 2 strips, you bring up the 2 strips, then you move this top to the left, and you bring this down. Then you take these 2 to their buddies right here, and you bring this back to where all the blacks are. So this is the black. Now complete the colour in the easiest possible way. So you move this up there, move this, and bring this back. So now let's check if the colours and the corners in the right places. Yes, they are. Since red, you look at the base, the middle ones are the bases. So the red, yellow, and green. Red, yellow, and green is right. Yellow, blue, and red. Yellow, blue, and red. Orange, this is exactly right. Green, orange, and yellow, they're in the right places. Now use the compass to help here. Think of north, east, south, west, and go in that order, but start from south. And you use, this is the right corner, you always use the right corner. So south, we start from south, move it down, then west, left, north, up, and east, right. So east and west, we use this one, the bottom, and for north and south, we use the top. So let's do it again. South is down, west is left, north is up, and east is right. Now this is in its right place. So we move on to the next corner, and we perform the same algorithm. South, west, north, east. South, west, north, east. It's in the right place. And we move it again. South, west, north, east. South, west, north, east. And you've completed the Rubik's Cube. Thank you.